that session a special session for dictionaries.
Sorry, but half only means I completed half only.
Okay, no. So you can you can put fast forward 1.5 and then try to watch whichever the concept you think you have doubt. You just slow down there, play with normal speed, and then go as like 1.5 or 2 times. No? Okay. So how many have still doubt in dictionaries? I mean, hello.
Sir,
Yeah.
a doubt in activity questions for the 7th week. I have one doubt.
Okay. Let me write that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have doubt in dictionaries, like how the dictionary of dictionary, like 3. Okay.
Yeah.
In some cases, I have seen it is creating in one way, and in some other cases, it is something like some other way. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, just a minute. Yeah, Misha, can you tell me the activity question?
Yes, sir. Activity question 7.3, question 4.
Okay. Question number 4. Okay.
Am I allowed to ask doubts from older weeks, sir?
Like, I mean, which week?
Graded assignment 6 also, I have one doubt.
Okay, so what I do, I will, if I get time, I mean, I will definitely like to answer that. Week 6 graded assignment, no?
Yes, sir.
Graded assignment, question number
3, question 3.
Okay. Sorry. And someone is having doubt in nested dictionary, no? List in, sorry, dictionary inside dictionary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
The side effects in that pseudocode that we get last part, side effects.
Yeah, conceptual. Yeah, adjustment. Side effects.
Yes, sir.
And sir, also if you could explain the difference between plus and plus plus.
Plus and plus plus. So I mean, if we use single plus, that is just for the addition, and double plus it is used for. What do you think?
I know it is used for concatenation, but because of the nested lists, I'm facing some problems with it.
List inside list.
Yeah.
Okay, so that
Hello,
week
sir.
6 week 6 graded assignment question number 3 is that only?
No, that is a little different, sir. But this is also a different doubt.
Okay. So you have some specific doubt in some question, or should I write the conceptual type of?
You can write it under conceptual doubts.
So what's your doubt? I mean,
plus. How does that operator work exactly?
List of list, no?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. And next.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I just joined. I was thinking. I want to ask that. Will you give a summary of week 8?
Oh, week 8 is nothing but dictionary, no?
Oh.
Yeah. So
you'll only just solve doubts, right, sir?
Yeah. So I have given the summary. Summary in the sense I have deeply explained the dictionary concepts, how it operates, how you can access the element, how you can create nested dictionary, how you can go through the pseudocodes, what are the operations you can do. That lecture I have there. So it is available on YouTube also on concepts of dictionary.
Okay, sir.
So
okay, sir.
I think you can see here. Okay. I mean, not just this one. So if you go to the playlist of CT, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So concepts of dictionary. If you can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Yeah. Please watch.
Yeah, I'll follow on YouTube, sir. Okay.
Yes. Sure. Yeah. And if you still have doubt, let me know.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And also those who are having doubt in list, so I think in week 6 open session you'll understand that. Just a minute. The initial part of the lecture is based on the concepts of list, so please watch till here. I mean from where, yeah, so you can watch till here. I mean it's around 1 hour session, first of 1 hour session. You will have an idea of list operations, list concept, all these things I have explained there. Okay, so list and dictionary, those who want to revise, just go to this open session of week 6 for list, first half hour, and then for the dictionary you have a separate session which is a concept of dictionary. Okay, which I have taken on Sunday, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
Deleting a key from dictionary.
yeah, that is the one code. It's not like what you are doing deleting. I mean, you are copying and putting in another way, another dictionary. So deleting is that only. I mean, once you have a dictionary, all the elements you are copying and putting in another dictionary. That is the. So you have some question for that deleting of dictionary?
No, sir. Means that concept only means copy, how they copy and just in.
Yeah, the dictionary concepts I have covered. Did you watch that lecture? Because
Okay.
yeah, please watch that. Those who are having doubt, please watch. I mean, that is a good. Okay, yeah. Next.
Activity question 8.3. Sorry, activity 8.3, question number 2nd.
Okay. Activity 8.3.
3. 8.3.
Sorry.
Second one.
8.3. Question number.
Second one.
Second. Okay. Others? That's all.
So graded assignment, week 7, question number 1 and 2.
Okay. Graded assignment, question number 1 and 2. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Okay. So what should I do? Should I go from week 6, 7, and then we should come to week 8? What to do? I mean, or week 8 first and then last these things. You guys tell me what to do.
Sir, last week 6.
So conceptual doubts will take longer time. You should take the question doubts first.
Yeah. Okay. So week 6, let me check what is there in week 6. Question, graded assignment, no? So did you go through the solution, Nisha?
Yeah, sir, but I could not understand. I asked one TA also, and the TA is also not able to help me.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, sir.
I think this one I have discussed. I mean, okay.
So what is the error in line 2? I cannot understand.
Okay. So those who have joined on that session, I think you haven't joined that session. I think week 6 open session or something. Week 6. Yeah. So what is there in this? No, I mean, can you see this? First of author list is what? Author list stores the name of the all of the author in the library data set. So it is a list, no?
Yes.
If you write first of author list, it will give one element, and I mean sequence number. Let us say the first element of, let us see. I mean, let me write itself. I think author list. Just I'm writing just a dummy. Like what is there? Like just see that we have a non-empty list called author list that stores the name of all authors in library table stored in alphabetical order. So name of the alphabetical order. So what do you think? Let us say some first name is a, what is that, Abdul something, because it's written in alphabetical order. Next one maybe something,
Pablo.
sorry,
Pablo.
Bala something. Like Bala can come twice, Misha.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because Bala could have written 2 books.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. So these are stored in alphabetical order. There is one element corresponding to each book in table. So if I write length of the author list, what it will give? Number of authors or number of books?
Number of books.
Correct. Everybody is agree on this?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now this may have duplicates. Yes, we have duplicates because of one author have written more than one book. The following procedure attempts to extract the unique list of authors. So what do you want unique list? In unique list, what it should be there? What do you think?
Unique list should only have all the authors' name one time.
Yeah. So if I check the length, okay, Abdul, it will have, then Bala. Do you think I should write Bala again?
No.
Okay. So if I write length of the unique list, what will we give? Number of books or number of authors?
Number of authors.
Correct. Yeah. So you want in this way, output of this pseudocode should come like this. Agree, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now coming preserving the while preserving the sorted order, means it should be like Abdul, then next Bala, like that alphabetical order. Okay. Let us see. Come unique list, we have created an empty list. That's true. Prev he has defined as a string data type. Now coming to the first one, second line, unique list is equal to unique list plus first of author. So see what is we are going to do here. Just see. Sorry. Unique list will be empty plus that is the first you have defined as a, so this is the output actually. I mean I have written is a final output.
Yes.
Okay, so if I'm going to the second line, unique list plus what is that? First of author list. What is the first of author list if I write?
Yeah, the first name. So Abdul.
Can you do this? Is it correct statement?
I think it is missing that square brackets.
Yeah, you have to
In
make
first auth list, I have to write it with square brackets.
Yes. So it should be same in the similar category. So means similar data type. Then you can append. So it was actually element string data type. You have to make it list. For making list, you have to write in a square bracket. Agree?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Then line number 5. What is the error? Line number 5. If it is not equal
Line number
to
5, I got. Yeah. It has to be
to,
not equals to.
Yes. Okay. Hey, others? Anybody is having doubt? No. Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because I think
No,
I
sir.
have discussed this question previously, no?
In the last session you did, I guess.
Yes.
The last Sunday session.
Yes. Misa, please watch the lectures, no? If you have missed some session, watch that lecture. I mean, fast forward, and wherever
Yes,
it is
sir.
required for you. I'm just telling to everyone, not only the Misha, but everybody. Please, those who have missed the session, please watch the previous session also. Okay, so now question number week 7 activity question. Okay, chalo. 7.34. Okay. 7.3 question number. Why it is taking so much time? For you guys also, this is the same situation. Portal is slow.
No, sir.
7.3. The both pages like that. Okay, by the time. So let us in week 7 graded assignment 1 and 2 is also there. So let us let it come. I think week 7 I have downloaded. I think week 7. Yeah, I think yeah. So by the time I just try to clear question number. What was the question number? Question number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is easy, no? 1 and 2. So whose doubt is this one?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. It's mine.
Samir. Everybody have clear understanding of this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by the time I just try to solve graded assignment, okay? Week 7, question number 1. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is a dictionary question. Yeah. So did Samir, did you watch that lecture, concept of dictionary?
Yes, sir.
But still you are having doubt in this?
Yeah, I didn't get it.
Okay. Guys, those who have watched a lecture that the concept of dictionary are still facing difficulty in dictionaries. I mean, some.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. No, sir.
Because you have to practice. I mean, this is the new concept. You have to practice. Okay, so which one you think that it's a multiple set? Yeah. So which one you think correct or which one you think wrong? I mean, which question you are having doubt, Samir, and which options?
Actually, I don't know which option should I select.
So that is the one. Like it is saying that late. I think then you haven't watched that concept of dictionaries lecture. I mean,
No. I have watched it.
okay. So yeah. So let us see the first one. So let A be a key of dictionary D, then A is always an integer. Do you think this is the case? It can be of
No.
integer also. It can be of character. It can be of a string also. No,
Yeah.
guys. Others.
Yes.
Others. I think it is very much. Yeah. So this is the correct answer. No.
Yes.
Sorry, this is wrong. No, because it is saying that always. This is
Yes, sir. It
actually
can't be always.
false. Next line. For keys A and B in D, if A is not equal to B, then D of A is not equal to D of B is always true. It's false. I mean, it's not like the
Yes.
case. Like you have a dictionary D here, and what it is saying that let A is the key and D always true. No, it can have like it is 5. Let us see. B can also have 5. No,
Yes, sir.
is this not a valid dictionary?
It is.
Hana? It can have, no?
Yes.
Keys
Sir.
can't be duplicated. The values can be.
Yeah, values could have, I mean, could be same.
Yeah, values can have same. Yeah. So that's why it is saying that always true. So then therefore B is also false. Huh?
Yes, sir.
For keys A and B in D, A is not equal to B is always true. What do you think? Option number C. Key can we duplicate? Keys of a dictionary can we duplicate? Samir?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, because
Keys
No.
has to be unique.
key has to be unique actually. Because for the if let us say if this is also A, so and let us see this is C. If I want to get the value of D A, what do you think it will print? What do you think it will?
Invalid. Error.
It means dictionary will be confused now. 5 I should print or 6 I should print. So that's why key should be always unique. So it should be like something different. Then D of A will print 5 and D of 6 will print. D of C will print 6.
Yes.
Understand? So this is option number C is correct. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let D is this one. Then value of D4. Where is D4? D4 4 is not a key. No? Can you see this? So this is false. No? Option number D. This is false.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So only option number C is correct. Samir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In question number 2, you are also having doubt?
I will try. Sir,
I
I'll
think
try.
you haven't tried. I mean, Samir, please.
No,
please
no,
try.
no. I had tried, but now I'm okay with
I
this.
mean, you should at least see. This is pretty straightforward in the sense. What is there? You have a Z row in a words table such that Z dot word reluctant is there. What will be the value of alpha t at the end of execution of following pseudocode? Okay, so this is a numerical answer type. You have to enter a numeric value. So alpha tick is already there. So you have key is there, some and corresponding value 2, C1, A1, S0. What we are doing, alpha dict is equal to update Z comma alpha dict. Means you are updating the value of alpha dict by calling this procedure with input value Z, that is the word, and this dictionary, which we have already, some of the values are already there, key value pair. So you are calling this guy and you are updating the value of corresponding key. So I think it is updating for what it is asking d of t. So I think it is adding actually. Means wherever it is saying t is there, you are going to add 1. So I think in this reluctant, how many t is there? 1 and 2. And we see that already t is value is having 2. So 2 plus 2 will become 4. So d of alpha dict t will become 4.
Yes, sir.
Anybody understood? I mean, so anybody is having doubt what I have asked, what I have talked here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I think this is simple compared to the other questions, no? I mean, others people are able to figure out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3.
Question, you have doubt in question number 3. Who is having doubt in question number 3?
Oh, sir, actually, I cleared this doubt with sir, in the earlier class, sir. I cleared it, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. So how did my page open? Oh my God, it's not opening for me.
Some people were having issues with their portal today. I think you're also having issues.
Yeah.
Sir, I had this issue earlier.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir. And sometimes it's log out, like you are not registered.
We cannot log in.
Yes, so we have to re-log in.
But it is working properly for me.
No, sometimes it's like that.
Yeah, for me
Not-
also, it's right now it's working, but earlier it was not.
Oh, okay.
Let me try here. Yeah, it's coming here in Chrome. So what was the question we had? So this one is cleared, no?
Sir, I had a doubt in question number 4 for GA6.
Graded assignment 6.
Yes, sir.
Question number
The question number 4.
4. Okay, so let me clear first this one 3.4 activity week 7. Then I will go back there. Okay. So who had doubt in activity 7.3 question number 4?
Yes, sir, that is my doubt.
Yeah. So this is your question.
I was able to solve it, sir. I got the right answer also.
Uh-huh.
But my question was that, sir, why do we have to keep checking if that key exists or not? Why can't we just add regardless? Like if we have a number like int x equal to 0, then even if it starts with 0, we can still keep on adding if we want to like collect a sum in it. So why can't we do the same logic here for summing the marks?
So it start with the 0. So then you have to create that key, no? I mean, see what you are saying that without creating this one, I mean else part, that is what you are trying to say, no?
Yes,
You
yes.
can have 0. So for that, what you have to do, Misha, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you have to do like this. I mean, question number 4, you have to create a what is the dictionary? Some marks should be like this. You know the already the city list, like the city name Chennai, and we
Yes.
assign sorry and you assign 0. Then next something called Patna. Then you have 0. Like that, you have to know all these things. Then as soon as you see that key is there, obviously key is there. You have already created a dictionary in such a way that you know the keys value, key value. No value you have assigned 0. As soon as you
Yeah.
see the city, you will be keep adding. Here, what it is happening, I mean, we are not having, you don't know the which are the cities. So as soon as you see the new city, you create a key and you assign the value, corresponding value. That is the case.
If I just start by directly adding, then it will not know what to add to it. That's why.
Yes. So this is this what in which you are adding, in what things you are going to add. See, can you see you are adding in this? So corresponding this some values there which you have.
Will not
assigned.
perceive it as 0.
By default it will not come. No, you have to assign something. No. You have to
Okay.
initial like that in any variable. While assigning any variable, what you are doing, like count is equal to 0. What do you think in mean that? I mean, you have assigned 0 means you have defined a variable which can store integer type of data, or you have created a variable. In this case, if you have not created this one, then with what you will add? Understand?
Okay.
One time, once you created, then it is okay. I will be keep adding, but at the first time, with what you will add?
Right, sir. Got it.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Then where should I? Others, guys, others understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
People are sleeping. I mean, after having lunch of Sunday.
No, sir.
No, we are with you.
Like
sir.
I like in South India, most of guys will have biryani, and North India, I don't know. It is it's not like biryani, but we have something food little heavy, no, on Sunday. But in South
So
India,
it's
mostly
raining
we
over
have.
here.
Well,
So no. So it's raining over here. So no heavy lunch today. So it's khichdi basically today.
Even in Hyderabad, it's raining.
yeah, in Chennai also it was raining, but now sun has come now. But yeah, we had biryani in mess.
So what would be the reason all the open sections are scheduled for today? All the 3 subjects?
No. So on that day, Friday, what happened? There was like a power, because of the raining. There was a power cut and also fluctuation of that internet. So that's why I shifted from Friday to Sunday, because Saturday I was busy with some experiment and all the things. So I could have shifted to Saturday, but I was busy on that, so I have shifted to Sunday. That's all. Others will be same.
Okay. I mean, even stat was postponed. I mean,
Okay, maybe because of that only. I mean, so because
Yeah.
on that day it was raining heavily.
Even English, they said it is going to happen today, and we didn't get the link for that.
Okay, but I think for the computational thinking, I have shared. I have sent. We have sent the mail.
There was a mail. Yeah, for stat we didn't receive any email, and for English we got the email saying it is going to happen today, and it was not. I mean, the link didn't show up in the calendar.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Okay, so you have to submit this assignments, no, on Friday, Wednesday, week 8. So we little bit. It's now
Yes,
it's sleeping time is over. I think who sleeps till 4. So get up and.
Yeah, exactly.
Good. Okay, so where I was, yeah. So I have cleared these things. I have to. Oh yeah, no. Week 6, question number 4. No. Week 6, question number 4. Who is having doubt in this one? May I know the name, please?
Tanmay Garg.
Tanmay.
I have it.
Okay, week 6. So why? I mean, you are asking this much late, Tanmay. May I know the reason, please?
Sir, I analyzed it a little late. Sir, what was, sir, there that question number I got partial.
This is the one.
Yes, sir.
I think I have also explained this question. This is so please watch that week 6 open session. Please
Okay,
watch. I
sir.
mean, those who have, I think, because if I explain again, no, I mean, it will kill others' time. But I will. So if you will stay till means after 6 also, I will explain this one to you.
Okay, sir.
But till 6 you have to wait. I mean, today.
Okay, sir.
Or you can watch the lecture of week 6 open session.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay.
Okay. So next we have. That's all, no? Activity 8.3, question number 2. Who is having doubt in this?
Yes, myself, Vikas.
Vikas. Okay. And I generally felt for this batch, people are asking very less doubt. I mean, I think they are not watching the lecture or they are not solving.
No, sir, we are watching the lectures. I have a doubt in the last lecture of this, where sir explained the MyD kind of dictionary to not destroy the data. I didn't much clear on this.
Okay, okay. So question 8.3, question number 2. This is the doubt, Tanmay. Hello, Tanmay, no? This is the question, no?
Yes, sir, Vikas, sir. Second question.
Okay, okay. So my now my question. So I heard that people are watching the lecture. So how many have solved this question? Question number 2, 8.3, question number 2.
Sorry, sorry.
Me,
Sir,
sir.
I solved. I solved.
Okay. Everybody has solved this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I'm making mistake, let me know then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I am going to do some mistakes also. So just okay. So
I solved.
yeah, good. I would just try to cross check. Yeah, so the question is that consider the dictionaries discussed in the class, train wise and stationary. What will be the value of D after the execution of following? So train wise, so how the train wise data will look like? So for that, I mean, you have to go to the, let me go to the data set. Then you will have an understanding. Will it open or not? Yeah. Oh my God.
Is it open? I just opened.
Okay, let me go to there. I mean, then Control V, and let me check with this one. Try. Yes. Okay. So data set. I'm going to show you the data set, and based on that, I will try to create a dictionary, and then you will have a clear picture. So train. So the question is first train wise. So how train wise data will look like? Let's see here. Train wise. So if you write, let us see this one. So I'm writing Tanmay. So this is for the question number 8.3.
Yes, sir.
Control V. So this is for the question. So train wise. So train wise, nothing but a dictionary. It will look like this. So you have train number 122. I'm just taking one of the example. Corresponding value are the, what is that? Bhubaneswar or list. It will be list, I think. Yeah, list of the stations. Like that. I mean, all the stations, the train will pass through that. And then next train will be there, something 12260 Bikaner, like that. So next will be the 12260, and then it will have a corresponding value Bikaner. Understood how it will look like?
Yes, sir. The corresponding stations which will pass.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, if I add this distance or arrival or departure time, then it will be a dictionary of dictionary. Then it will not be a list.
Sorry. Can you
see? In this example, you have maintained a list of stations. That is fine.
Mhm.
But in case if in that list, if I add, if I suppose collect distances or departure or arrival time, then it will convert it into a dictionary.
Yes, I mean, so you have to write like this then.
Right,
like
right, right.
I mean, if you can write like this. So dictionary, you will have a key and corresponding. It is since it is a starting a station, then 0.
Right.
Okay,
Thank
like
you.
that. The next key will be 3 something, some different station and corresponding distance. Okay, like that.
Right, right.
Okay, good. So always remember that if you are creating a dictionary, you should have list and you have key and value there. Okay. Now coming to the question, where is my question? Yeah. So now if I so what is the station we have? One double train wise, no? I mean.
Yes, sir. First it will check the train.
So train wise, so what it is happening here? I mean, train wise, if I write like this, B is, we have it is written B is equal to train wise, and if I write what is the key 12260, so what do you think it will come?
Bikaner means all the station names.
Do you think it will come
Stop station.
list? No, we है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Does agree everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
C is equal to a station wise and in that key is
First
there
of B.
first of B. So what do you think is station wise? What is the first of B? It will be
Bikaner.
Bikaner. And now this will be D will be
The last station.
Last
of C. So if you go to now a station wise, then what? Let us see a station wise now. So station wise, just a minute. I have to move this to somewhere. Yeah.
Create a dictionary with station name as key.
Yeah. So now a station wise there, no? So in a station wise, it will look like this. I mean, you will have a station name, and in corresponding list value, it will have this is trains.
Yes, sir. It will provide that last train name.
So let me write for this one actually. Yeah. So that station wise will look like this. Station wise will be list with station name Ahmedabad. ठीक है? Sorry. And corresponding value will be what?
Train numbers. List of train numbers.
Passes through the Ahmedabad, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 12298. Okay. Next station will come something, and then like that it will be there, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if can you see that a station now this is the this has come station wise Bikaner. So let us see and check station wise Bikaner is there. Where is the Bikaner? Bikaner. So Bikaner is there. So Bikaner, what it will be there? 12260 or 12259. Two trains will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
And so if you write last of and so how it will look like then? If you write like this one, this will look like it is equal to 12260,
12259.
12259. Now what is the asked? I mean
last of C.
Last of C. So what do you think last of C will be?
12259.
So this is your answer. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So
Third one.
yeah, third in this same.
Yes. Means that option one means
in this third one.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Now let us see what is the question here. Consider the following procedure where M and N are parameters pass through the procedure. What is the condition for which procedure returns true? So where is the true? Here. A should be greater than 2. Greater than 2 means A should have minimum
3.
3 value.
3.
Okay. So what do you think? Let us see what is the procedure does. This procedure check m comma n does. So procedure A is equal to 0, V is equal to false for each I in train wise aim. Okay. So train wise aim is there. So train wise aim, if we write here, what is the train wise aim? So if you have any key value of for the train wise, what it will be? It will return the list of the stations passing through that train. So m is representing a train number. Okay, Hannah, guys.
Yes, sir.
Others, please.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
you are going first time. So for each I, so can you think what it is returning actually? This train wise M will is a list and
List of stations.
and we know that for each is only used for the accessing the element of list. Remember?
Yes.
So this is the train wise M will be the list. And what is the list? List of the stations. For each J in train wise in. So now when you go first time, for each I in train wise n, for each j in train wise n. So you have another train also. So train wise n, it will give another list of
Stations.
So this train wise m and train wise n will give list of stations. You are going through the each and every value. Now when you go first time, so I is equal to 1. What do you think? What it is actually comparing here? I is representing what?
Station in
Stations, no. Stations which passes through which passes through no. So stations from which this train number passes through, no, train M. J represents stations which passes through train number N. Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you are comparing, means when you are checking equality sign, means both the stations are same, then you are going to
Increment
the value of update the value of A with 1. So can you what do you think that train M and train passes through set of stations? If at least 3 stations are common in that 2 trains, then it will return true.
Yes, sir.
What do you
Yes,
think?
sir.
Yeah. So that is the answer, I think, somewhere, no? At least 3.
Second
No?
option.
At least 3, yes. Any doubt here? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So next, where we are going? This is done. Okay. So now nested dictionary. So nested dictionary means any question is there based on nested dictionary? Then I will explain that one. So who had doubt in nested dictionary?
I asked about the nested dictionary.
No?
Yes, sir.
So did you watch that lecture? I think concept of
Yes,
dictionary.
sir. Yes, sir.
I think I have given very small.
Yeah. That lecture was very nice, but see, I have doubt in creating how this nested dictionary created.
So what I do now, I have seen some question, practice assignment question.
Okay.
Check there. If it is there, then practice assignment question is there. This is nested, no? This is nested dictionary. Question number 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a doubt in that.
In this.
Hello. Yeah, I have doubt in that question actually. I have put it in forum also, and I am getting replies, but still not satisfied with that.
Okay, so what should I do? Tell me, should I go to one of the question and try to explain you how we can?
That would be great, sir. If you just do one of this.
I think this is the nested.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
This is nested dictionary question. Still my voice is not coming clear.
Clear, sir. Clear.
I think from background noise is from someone. Yeah. So what I do, I think, what do you think, guys? Should I explain this question through?
Just take one question, sir. One simple one.
Yeah. Only I see what I'm not going to solve each and every question. My job is to make you understand that how we can create. Not each and every question I'm going to, but I will explain one question in much more details so that no any doubts will be there. Okay.
Much appreciated, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So this is, I mean, so how many have doubt in this question? I mean, how many have tried first? I mean, I want to know the numbers. Then I will start. How many have tried this one?
I've
No,
tried, sir.
No, I didn't.
Solved it,
Okay.
sir.
Others? I mean, I want to see that how many have tried. Please,
I tried, sir.
Those who tried, raise your hands.
Yeah, please raise your hand. Those who have tried this question number 1. Only. Okay, 3, 4.
Sir, sorry, from where is this question?
So this is the week 8 practice assignment question, the first question. This is the nested dictionary question, and then I want to know the number. How many have only tried? Okay, so Chetan had tried, Sayan, Manchishwaran has also tried, Pooja, Misha, Ankit, Ayush, Pranjali. Okay, Pooja Doshi also tried. Okay, good. Okay, so rest of the guys haven't tried this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so what those who have tried, what do you think? This question is good, or I mean, how was this question? I mean,
I mean, the question is good, sir. We can actually, I mean, we can solve it easily. But the thing is, I have confusion how the nested dictionary is created. Sometimes I have doubt that how the dictionary looks.
no, yeah. So that I will try to explain how it will look like. I will take some dummy data and try to explain.
Yeah,
So what do you think, guys? Should I go through this question to explain in depth?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just going to explain this question in depth. I think did I explain in last week? No, not this question. Did I explain?
No. This is the 8th week.
No, sir. This is 8th week, sir.
Okay, good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain this question with some dummy data so that you will have a picture of how your dictionary will look like while every step of the iteration. Okay. Then you will have a clear picture. Okay. So please mute yourself, guys. Please mute yourself. Please, Abhishek, mute. Yeah. Okay. And if anybody is having doubt, please let me know. I will explain. Okay. So, and yeah. So this is our question number. Let me start in the next fresh page so that I will have a clear. Okay. So this is week 8 practice assignment. Question number 1. Okay. So the question is, I mean, please go. Someone, those who haven't tried, please look at this question. What is actually happening? Which are the data we should require? Where are the code is just started? I mean, the loop is just started. Like if you see here, while loop has just started here. Where it has closed? Line number 15. Okay. So in this pseudo code, we need, which are the information? We need city or town information, total marks. Only 2 things, no? City and total. No, guys? Okay. So for that, what I do, I just take some dummy data. I mean, so I write just city name and the total marks. Okay. So let us assume something called Chennai, and tell me some total marks. Something. Tell me for this.
98.
Total out of
210. 210.
Out of 300 total, no?
210, sir.
210. Okay. Then next.
280.
City name. From which city?
Mumbai. Vellore, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
280.
280. Then
Delhi.
Vellore.
265.
265. Okay. Then I just repeat also, no? I mean, some data maybe
Take
Yes,
one more time,
Yes,
right,
sir.
sir? Yeah. Okay.
Chennai is from, let us say, 250.
270.
Okay, 270. No problem. 270. And then one repeat. Should I repeat or it's okay?
No, no,
Okay, sir.
that is enough, sir.
Okay, so like 4 data is enough, no?
Yes, sir.
Or
Madurai.
chalo. Okay, so now we are going. I mean, so what we have done? We have created a empty dictionary and we have initialized average A and C with 0. Means these are the variables going to store only integer type of data, whereas D is only going to store a dictionary. Good. So far, so good. Now we're coming to the line number 3, where it has started. It has opened here. Where it has closed. My screen is visible. My visibility. I mean,
Yes, sir.
Line number 15, it's closed.
is it clear? I mean, the code is, you can see. I mean,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will end on 15.
yeah. So where is it has 15? So wherever this condition is going to be true, you have to go through each and every line till here. And so this will repeat like that. Once you reach here, line number 14, then you will again come back here and check that whether cards are there or not, or the rows are there or not. If it is there, you will again go. If it is not there, then you will come out from this loop and you will come out to line number 16. Correct? No? Okay. Chalo. So we are going first time, and what we are doing? We are reading the first row of X in table. Okay, okay. We are reading. A is equal to, as soon as we go, what we do? A is equal to A plus. What is the
Add up
value?
them.
0 plus X dot total. What is the value of X dot total? We have
210.
210. So it will be 210. And what is the value of C? We are going to have 0 plus
1.
1.
it will be
1.
1. Now we are coming if is key D comma X dot ct or term. So what we are checking here, if is key. Oh, okay. What is key function does?
It checks whether the already entry is present or not.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So can I see this? I mean, is key a, so what do you think? What is D we have?
Empty dictionary.
Empty dictionary.
We do not have anything. I mean, we have an empty dictionary, and in empty dictionary, Chennai is not a key. So what do you think this guy will return?
False.
False. So this will return false. Where it will go then?
Else.
Else part.
Else part. What it go to the else part, and what it will do? It will create a
Key
New
for city and total.
what is that X dot ct we have? Chennai. Chennai, and what it will be?
A new dictionary inside it.
It will have, what is that?
A
Total.
dictionary.
Total.
Yeah.
Total.
200 as a key.
Total as key and count as key.
Yeah, total, and it will assign X dot total. So X dot total is what?
210.
210.
210.
And count
1.
1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
You will come here and you will move X to table 2. So let us see, you have table 2 here, and what we are doing, this guy is moved to now table
2.
2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will go and again. So after end of your this step, first iteration, your D will look like how? Your D will look like this. So this is actually a case of nested dictionary. No?
Yes, sir.
Chennai is how many elements in a dictionary D?
1.
1, sir.
1 or 2?
1.
1, sir. It is only Chennai as a key.
Yes. If I ask how many elements in dictionary D total? Sorry,
Uh,
not D total. D Chennai.
2.
2 total and count.
Everybody's agree on this? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are not getting, I can explain in little more details. But if you're understanding, then I'm not going to write.
Clear,
Okay.
sir.
Others,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
because case 2
Yes,
is
sir.
based on only list and dictionary. Okay, good. And upcoming lectures also. Okay, now we are going to the next line, and what we are checking. So we have reached here, moved, and now we are going again, because this is a closing loop of loop, closing bracket for the loop. So we have to come out from the loop after checking of this condition. If it is false, then we are going to come out from this loop. So let us see. Table 1 has more rows. Yes, we have. So I will again go inside and will check. So what we'll do now? So when we are going first time, we had x was what? This one, Chennai, and this kind of Chennai. X was this. Now we are going next time again. Then x we have what?
Mumbai 280.
Yes. So we have Mumbai 280. Okay. C control V. Yeah. So we are going for again. What we are doing? A is equal to A plus. So what is the value of A you have?
210.
210 plus
210 plus it will be
280.
280. So how much it
490.
will be?
490.
490.
Yeah, 490. And count will be?
1 plus 1.
Sorry, C, no?
C.
C will be 1 plus
1.
2.
will be
2.
2. Now again it will come. It will check is key D comma X dot CT. So if D is key, sorry, is key D comma, what is the CT you are having here?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
So do you think what do you think D, how your dictionary look like? So your dictionary is this one. Do you think that Mumbai is the key in this dictionary?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, no. So what it will return?
False.
False.
So it will return as a false. It will return as a false. And where it will go? It will go to the else part. And it will create a key with x dot ct, and which we have a Mumbai now. And in that you will have these values. You have to assign these values. So what you are going to do here, I mean, control C, you will have assignment of the, sorry, you will, sorry, what I have done? Control C. Why this is coming? Okay.
You can just select it and click on U there on top.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just missing this. Yeah. Okay. So this will be your Mumbai, and what are the x dot total we had for this guy? 280, no?
280.
80, and count will be 1 only. Okay.
Yes,
will
sir.
come x to table 2. So at the end of your this step, how your dictionary will look like? How your dictionary will look like? Your dictionary will look like. No. So sorry, you have to assign, no? So you are assigning actually. Sorry. So this will be in a square bracket. You are actually assigning the value. Okay. So you have assigned this value. And now at the end of this one, your dictionary will look like control C. And I can write at the beginning also or at the end also. Will it matter?
No, sir.
No.
Because in case of
Dictionary's order doesn't matter.
Order doesn't matter. So your dictionary will look like this. Something you will have. So how many elements are in dictionary D now?
2 elements.
Chennai and Mumbai. How many elements are in dictionary D Mumbai?
2,
sir.
Turn and count. 2.
Okay, good. Now when we, so this will keep going. Next will become velar. So now we have to move this guy, no? That you have to move from here, and because we have to move x to table 2, now velar will come, and again you will append. So append means append in the sense you have to add in dictionary D, then how your dictionary will look like. So let me write itself. So your when I'm just writing it fast. I mean, it's, I mean, now it is well understood now. So x dot x, when it comes velar, it will have 265. So your a will be updated. Okay, you will add in 490 plus 265, and then c will become 3. Anna? So a will become how much? Tell me. And the c will become 3.
755.
Okay, 7. I'm just believing on it. Okay, and your dictionary D will look like something. You have to add. Okay, sorry. You have to just add one more key, which is velar. So in here you have to add velar, and corresponding value we will have these guys. Total is for this one. What is the total for this one? How much we have? 265. Next thing will be interesting. How I just say 265, and corresponding count will be 1. No, chalo. Now when we go next time, what is that? What we have? So you will move this guy to the control X, and you will move this one. Now next time it will come when we have X dot. I mean, X is what? Chennai again.
Chennai.
And this is how much?
270.
270. 270. So how it now, just see. You have updated the value of a. What will be the value of a? You will have 755 plus 270. How much it will come?
1025.
1025. Okay. 1025, and C will be 4. Now coming here. So now it will check if is key in a dictionary D, Chennai is there or not?
It is there.
It is there.
True.
Yes, sir.
Check, you know, because in this dictionary Chennai is there, is a key. So what do you think it will be? This is true. What
Yes,
it
sir.
will go
It will
inside. It will go inside. So what it will do? So D of x dot ct. X dot ct is what? Chennai. Chennai. And something or is there? Total also. Total. What you're doing in this? You are updating the value of this one.
Incrementing the
Chennai total with Chennai total plus x dot total. So this is what is the value we had for this one? 210.
70.
210, na?
Yes,
Plus
sir.
It's 94.
x dot total 270.
Okay,
So
so
it will
sir,
be
if we
480.
if you mention like that, it will access the, it will go inside the Chennai dictionary, and then it will go to the other key inside the Chennai dictionary total and update the value.
Yes. See what will happen as you call first one. So it will look at the first key. Now inside another key is there, which, so inside what are the keys? You have total and count. So you are calling with the total. So it will go to the total. So what is the corresponding value you will have? 210. That is what I have written. No? 210 plus 270. Hai na?
Yes. And if you want to access the count also on the same line.
Yeah, the same thing. I'm trying to do with the same thing. No, like D.
Okay. In the above line we cannot call. We have to write the code again, and then
Individually.
we have to call
Chennai. Yes. That is the unique thing. No, I mean count is unique because keys are unique. No.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1 plus 1. It will be 2. Hannah?
Sir.
Do you think now it will go to the else part?
No, it will not.
Because it has access. If then it will not go to the else part, it will come to x2 table 2, and you will move this guy to last one to table 2.
Sir, I have a
And
doubt in the
I'm
line
just
number 8.
line number 8. What is the doubt you have?
Like if we call d x dot city count total, and we don't add x dot total, so it will give only the 210, right?
X dot total, it will be only if you are not
So
going to, no, so it will update the value of this one. I mean,
right, sir. So
the
I don't
210 will
have
be
to.
replaced by 270 now.
Yes, sir.
If you write,
What I'm asking you, after equal to, there is no need to write this part.
This one,
Yes, sir. Only
and you
just
will write X dot total.
yes, sir.
Then your value of this one will become only 270.
Okay.
You have
Okay, sir.
updated earlier, it was 270. Now we have added updated with the new total. What is that new total? 270.
Right, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. So your so after updating, your dictionary will look like this. So let me write. How many keys do you think in final dictionary will have?
3. 3, sir.
480, and this will be 2,
2.
no?
Count will not do.
Hana?
Sir.
Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now next I think easy. Now we have calculated average A by C. So average total. Now you are comparing with what? For each B in keys of D. So as you go for now, if I'm now see here keys of D will return what?
List of all the keys in dictionary.
Sorry. Keys of D will return
List of all the keys.
List of B.
It
Keys in
can
D.
return in any order.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What did I miss?
It is 3,
Nothing,
sir.
sir.
There
It
is
is
3
three.
keys.
3 only, no? Yes. Now we are going for each B in keys of D. So when you go first time, let us say this is the return value of keys of D. So when we are going first time, what is the value of B you will have? Chennai. Hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And now it will check D of B. So D now see D of B. What is that B you have? Chennai. And average.
That's a new key, right?
Now we have created a new key also. It will be now D of B
of total.
D of Chennai.
D of Chennai
Total.
So you are calculating average for the CT. Hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
This will be divided by D of
Count.
Chennai.
Count.
Let me write B or Chennai. Let us count, and this is
480 by
sorry
2.
B. I should be right now. Okay.
That's okay, sir.
Chennai, and this will be. So what do you think what we are doing actually here? D of Chennai average. We have another key, and what is the Chennai total? So what is the Chennai total? Chennai and total 480 divided by
2.
So this will be your
240.
240. And now we are checking. So
how will the dictionary look like, sir?
Yeah, so your dictionary after doing this one, your dictionary will look like this. Let me copy this one. We'll see. Your dictionary will look like either you can write here also, here also, or here also, anywhere. I mean, in the inside, because you are writing for the inside. Chennai inside. So average 240. Like this, it will look like.
Okay, so it will update the value also. Okay.
No, update. No. It has created another. Can you see this? It has created another key And what is the key? Average, in which you have updated the value D of B total. D of B total, which is average, it is calculating. That is what I have written. So it will look like this 240. Okay. And this is compared. Now D of B Chennai average. Average is 240 is greater than average value, the total. If it is greater than, then you are adding that Z is equal to Z plus D of B of count. So Chennai count. Okay. So it is adding that one. Whenever it is greater, so if it is greater than that one, total average of the CT average. So this is actually representing CT average, and this is total average, overall average, no, of total marks. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And if it is greater than, you are appending, you are adding that value for that particular CT.
The count of that city.
Yeah. How many students from that CT? Any doubt in this, guys?
No, sir.
No. So now we will have a picture of how your dictionary will look like.
Yes, sir.
How we can create a dictionary, guys. Anybody is having doubt in this? Hello.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir. No, sir.
Some people are only silent. People do not speak at all. Okay. No problem.
So can you just look at the fifth question of same assignment, sir?
Sorry?
Fifth question of the same assignment.
Question? Which question?
Fifth one, sir. The same thing, same practice assignment. Just a minute, sir. It will not take much time.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, here, when I pass a word AABBCC, how will that part will look like, sir?
D of?
I mean, if I see it is taking all the words from that words data set. I am just passing a word with the spelling AABBCC. Okay.
How your dictionary will look like?
Yeah, just that need to know the glance. You know, don't need to go to the fill the code part. Just on top how it looks.
Okay. So your dictionary will look like this. How many have tried this question actually? Please try. No, question number 5. So your dictionary. So let me read the actual question. So the following pseudocode is executed using words data set. At the end of execution, C captures the number of words with either all letters are distinct or at least 3 letters are appeared at least twice. Okay. Choose the correct code fragment to complete the code. So it is what it's doing. You have created and letter count less than is keys there. Then you are appending. Okay. So what you have add for which word you are saying?
AABBCC.
AABBCC. That is the one.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So your D will look like this. Simple. So A has appeared how many times? Twice. B has appeared also twice. And C has also appeared twice. That's all. Your D will look like this.
Okay, sir. So my answer is correct. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So others, what about others? Guys, yeah. Abhishek, you have doubt? You
No,
have
sir.
raised, yeah. No, you have raised your hand. That's why. Abhishek, another Abhishek is there.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir, Abhishek myself.
Yeah,
Sir, some confusion in graded assignment.
Yeah, tell me.
I think graded.
I will which one? Week 8.
Week 8 only, sir. Week 8 only.
So let me see
Only,
how
sir.
much. How much?
How much? Yes, sir. So just.
Okay. I will be not able to answer fully, but
No, sir. That I.
Question
that
number?
I know, sir. Question number 3, sir.
But I know you guys have already answer of this one. Okay.
Sir, I my doubt is there. Should I have go all the data? I think I have to iterate all the cards.
Yes. You have
to
to
answer this question.
What is that?
Yes. You have to go through. You have to go through all the cards.
All the card, no?
Values are asked, no? So you have to go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Value is asked, sir.
Yeah, then you have to go through that.
And sir, come down some question number 6 or 7, some below, sir.
It is a tedious process to calculate all the cards.
No, but why we are going? Why do we give these type of questions? No, you will have some idea of the data set, how
Yes, sir.
data set look like, how it can make a so many questions. Like you prepare questions, or you can create questions from the given same data. So that's why I just want to just give you
Yes,
feel. Yeah, tell me.
One question is related to what data set, sir? No,
Which one?
this is not, sir. The
Which
T, somewhere you mentioned T, what T? Yeah,
where
what letter T? So not
where
this is, we are, no, 6, no, sir.
which question number?
I think, no, this is a station. Mm, yes, sir.
Only 10 questions are there.
Only, no, sir, upar.
Okay.
What data set? Question, sir, what data set? This is 4 number already answered, sir. 4, 5, 6.
This is question number 2. So we do not. This is question number 1.
1 correct, sir. 2 correct. 3 you already told. 4, 5. What data set? How many questions are there? No, sir. This is not.
Okay.
What question of only what data sets?
I mean,
This is it.
a question. I mean, so I want to know the which question you are talking about, and then I will
Maybe
come down to
Abhishek, you just check the question and then tell to sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Let me check, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will check, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Are you working professional?
Yes, sir. I am working professor.
Yeah. Okay. So generally Sundays is okay for you to
Yeah,
attend.
Sunday is okay for me, sir. I
That-
think this is my first live class.
Oh my God. Okay. Where do you work?
I mean in public sector unit.
Oh, where? I mean.
Yeah, Lucknow.
Oh. Good.
Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HAL.
So HL, there is HH also in Lucknow. I think it is
Lucknow, yeah. One
Bangalore.
division is Lucknow. Bangalore is the head office. No, I mean, corporate office, there are so many divisions are there, but a small unit is located in Lucknow also.
What area it works on there? I mean, which area? I mean, mechanical related things.
Yeah, it's accessories division. It means all the governing things that you can go for landing gears.
Okay, mechanism of gears. I mean,
Yeah.
Okay,
Mechanism, these things.
Good. Yeah. Good to talk. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So what to do next? I mean, okay. Darash Pratap Singh, what's your doubt? Darash, am I able to hear you? Can you hear me? Because I'm not able to hear you if you are speaking.
You are audible, sir.
Okay. What next? Side effects in dictionary operations. I think there was something error in this in lecture. I have added inside. I think if you see that something, please correct code is there. I have added that one. So please find the correct code for that. Some code was error in find overlap code. So if you have doubt in this one, this is the correct code actually in that. Guys.
Sir, in the last lecture of this, sir told like if we don't disturb the data set, we create a copy of the data set.
Yes.
By creating MyD, some type of things.
Yeah,
Can you please explain this one?
I mean, if yes, I can explain the overall, but if you want to know the exactly, you just tell me the exact time stamp, then I will be able to tell. So the overall thing is that, like, see, the simple example I'm telling. So the previous question, what was the previous question we had? I mean, if you are moving some cards from one pile to another pile, like generally from the pile, you can understand that. So if you want to find some maximum value, you have to arrange the card in some order, like sequence number. Guys, please listen, everyone. So if you take the first card, top card, you check the condition, like if it is greater than the existing one, you are going to update the value and you will keep on the other pile, which is called pile 2. So the card which was initially on the top position of in the pile 1, now it is in the bottom of the pile 2. So did we change the order of the cards while doing the operation in that cards? Yes, no, because the top card was now is becoming at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
The like that we are doing. So for to do not affect, I mean, do not disturb the card position. What we do, just copy. As pile 1, we had pile 1 of card. Now we have copied this information to another pile called something like pile X. Okay. Then we do the operations. We do all these things. The original pile is still in the pile 1 position. I mean, we haven't disturbed. So with that, if you are using any this type of technique, then we are not disturbing the sequence of the cards present in the data sets. So that's why we can reduce the side effects. This is a side effect. Sometimes side effects are okay, but mostly if you do not want to introduce any side effects while doing any operation, just copy that information to some another variable and do the operations. Your original things will be still in original. Okay.
So to maintain the original data set, we copy the data set into a local list.
Yes. Local, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So we can give that local list any name of our wish.
Yeah. Also, there is a just now I have explained. No, there is an error in that find overlap to in the given lecture. So the correct code is given here. You can use that one instead of the what sir has given in that. So there is an error in that. Okay, guys, those who are having doubt in overlap of or that the side effect of the pseudocodes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Who is this?
Sir, Abhinav this side.
Yeah, Abhinav.
Sir, how do we know that this program is going to generate side effects or not?
So you
or
have
every
to,
program generates a side effect?
No, it's not like that. I mean, it depends on the programmer what they do. Like, see the simple example I tell you. Like, if someone has used the concept of like copying the original data and keeping in the local variable, then obviously there is no side effect in that.
So it implies that whenever we write a code, then in every code we have to have that provision so that no side effects could occur.
Yeah.
Even if we want that, if we specifically want that, if we want a side effect, then we won't do this. Otherwise, one has to do this.
Yeah, means see what is that now? Like if because of the coming some side effect due to your code, if that side effect is affecting your result, then you should avoid the side effects. But see, while searching the maximum card or maximum quantity from the given data set, that is not affecting our result if we are changing the order of the sequence of the card. No, it is not affecting. So at that time it doesn't bother about that. But thing is that like say here these are the very small, I mean what I say,
data, small amount of data.
No, not a small amount. These are the very small codes, but small length of codes. So I tell you, means these are the can you see the how many lines of code? This is the 10 or 11 lines of code. Or this is like the question number 5 is sorry, this is week 7, week 8. Sorry. Somewhere the long code I was showing, no, in graded assignment actually. Just
yes.
Just give me a second. Yeah. So in this, if you see that question number 5, I think, yeah. So can you see this? This is the like very big code. Hana? I mean, not big code. Like I have, I'm working on some code is like 800 or 900 code is there. I'm doing the simulation. So the same, let us say I want to use the same table 1 again for some another operations. Because data set is same, you can do a lot of operations in that given data set. But you have disturbed the table 1. So do you think that once you do the operation, do you think table 1 has any card? No, table 1 is becoming empty. All card moves to table 2.
Right.
And table 1 you have initially we have assigned the table 1 to you. Okay?
Yes.
But now in somewhere another part of the code you want to use the same data card, like table 1 cards I want to use in the same order. Then you should keep a copy here and then you do the operation. Then table 1 might have used in somewhere another in this code, part of the code. So that time you should be very much careful that where whether your information or the result is going to affect the side effect. If it is affecting, you should make a copy and do the operations locally wherever you want in the particular pseudo.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Hello. Yeah. Okay, I think okay. Yeah. So yeah, so I am just ended with one list of list. Who is having doubt in list of list? Hello. Who had doubt in list of list? I think Misha had. Misha, I think she left. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So guys, do you have any further doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
People are having no doubt. Okay, good. Then
Excuse me, sir.
then I think you guys.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello, sir. Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
If just like a general doubt, if light A is equal to square bracket, there are only one element, the 2.
Okay, let me write.
Uh,
Let me write. So then everybody others can also understand. So what you're trying to say, A is equal to, what is the square bracket? 2.
2, yeah. Then what is the first value of list A and last value of list A?
You will only answer. What do you
Yeah,
think first of A will be?
0.
Okay. Okay. So I must say, do we know how I am finding these values? I just remember this one, or there is some code is there for this first and last?
No.
Huh?
No, nothing. I want to know what is the first value of list A.
No. So I am just asking you that how if I'm saying that first of A is 2 and last of A is also 2, how I'm saying there is some concept is there, or I'm just saying that yeah, it's 2 only.
The concept is that the first value of list.
Yeah. So did you see that there is a code we have written for this first function and last function?
Mm-hmm.
Please watch that one and try to answer by yourself.
So also,
yeah.
two is the both answer is 2. First
Yes.
of is
Yes. For confirmation, I think list of where are the functions we have examples of. I think where is that? In week 5 or week 6, somewhere it will be there. List functions, basic list operations. Yeah. Please watch this lecture. Please, I mean.
Yeah, I watched suddenly in my mind.
No, I think not in
down.
this. I think some not in this, guys. List construction operations. No, guys. Do you remember which lecture now it has?
No, sir. I didn't know the exact lecture.
Sir, I think that was tutorial.
Tutorial video. In
Yes, tutorial video. You just upload in YouTube.
Week 5. Tutorial on answer. Week 5 only. Okay. Somewhere it is. That's a tutorial lecture is there. That's why I'm just not answering with blindly. Because I have watched this lecture. That's why I'm able to answer that one. Your question. So you should also watch this. These are very small. I mean, a lecture is there. You just go and watch this one. If you see that how length is also calculated. These can you see there? These are the operations: length, first, last, rest, init, member. So please watch this. This is a 7 minute. How much time it will? Just a 7 minute. You will be able to understand that what is rest of A, last of A. You will be able to answer that. So for this, first of A will be 2. Last of A will be 2. What do you think? Rest of A, guys, and init. Init of A will give.
Init of A would be 2.
Not it will in list.
Rest of is
Rest of A will be what?
What empty list?
Empty list.
Empty list.
And init of A will be
empty.
Empty.
So empty.
And if I write rest of A,
Rest of
Empty, sir.
It is empty list in empty list. Empty list, empty list.
So how I'm writing actually? I mean, I have watched that lecture. That's why I'm able to write. No, I have not done any magic here because this is based on the concept. I'm just writing. Please watch that lecture and you will be able to answer that one. If you have a doubt in understanding how that code works, then I will be able to answer that. I mean, I will be clear your doubt. Okay. So please watch that lecture. This one. Sorry, not this. Yeah, this one. Like tutorial 5.1, you will have all the information. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Others, guys, any doubt? I think then you guys, I think you guys have no doubt. Then I assume that you will get good marks in quiz too. List and dictionary is very pretty much clear.
Hope so. Hope so. We will score.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The level of the question, what do you think that level of question will be?
Don't make it hard, sir.
It will be easier than graded assignments.
I don't think so, sir, because it
Sir,
will be
don't
so
make it hard.
specific. Like in quiz 2, there were so many specific questions.
And quiz 2 is the hardest
the-
quiz
I think the-
among
the
all the
future-
three.
What do
the
you think
future-
these questions are there? What do you think?
The question are tricky question are come in quiz 2, I think.
Yeah.
Even in quiz 1, sir, you have given us like to answer specific answer, like the number. In GA, we had to answer in generalized form, but in quiz, it was like specific numbers you were asking. And quiz 2, I guess it would be harder than that.
Yeah, because only
Hello, sir.
two concepts are there, list and dictionaries. So you have to work out. Only two things are there, and I always had a good impression that in CT people will do better because it's based on logical things. Once you understand the code, you will be able to answer that one. So the technique is that whenever you see any new code, you are not having any idea what to do next. Let us say for this one, just take a random data, means what it is asking for, library data set. What are the information you need? Only that author name. Just go through that to 5 or 6 consider, and you should not always take like some unique data. You can have duplicates like that. Try to take all the information will be given in this paragraph.
Sir,
And then-
taking data according to the options is much helpful.
Yeah, we will understand. See, in list and dictionary, your half of the problem will be over by just able to create a dictionary or the list. Once you are able to create a picture of dictionary or a list, no, you will be able to answer correctly. Okay.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I have a request, sir. Here.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, sir, we don't have much of touch with this data sets like that Olympics data set, and there was one library data set and all. And we have not seen much of the data in that data set.
See, I mean, see, in practice,
And
yeah.
in the quiz 1 also there was a couple of questions from the library data set, I think.
Yeah. Okay. So you might be remember that, like, if I'm asking question anything based on the library data set, I haven't asked you to enter the numeric value because we have not provided the full data set. We have just provided the template of the data set. No, you remember?
I agree, sir. You have provided. See, there was a confusion even in the last solve with the instructor session with the Nalini ma'am also. Because we were discussing about this Olympic data set, and in that line there was a confusion, like the medal. The medal part was confusing. Like, for example, the first one, the sequence number 0 was Karnamalleshwari and medal bronze. We had a confusion whether the Karnamalleshwari's name will come again in that list, in that row, or it will be just only once, or how it, like, if she has won one gold medal, will it show again? There was a confusion even.
Actually, it is a question in the solve with us sessions.
Yeah. So thing is that it can come because we are providing that how your data will look like. If any specific information we want to introduce for that particular question, we actually provide, like, so like in this data set we have a unique list, meaning one player can come only one. If I ask that, yeah, there can be some player or the some duplicates will be there, because we are introducing in this way, then you should understand that that player might have the same player might have won different gold medal in same year, or different medal in two different years. Like that, we actually specify in each and every question. Then you will have a picture of, yeah, this type of data will be available. Because see, even though like actual data also, like whenever I'm asking the conceptual doubt, we you should be have picture of the data set, not the information of each and every data points.
Exactly, sir.
Like,
Exactly.
like writing also code. While writing while whenever you write a code, you have only the picture of the actual data. No, you are not going to iterate each and every line and line of the
Exactly,
data
sir.
set provided. So that is why
Yes, sir.
I'm saying that you should imagine a data. See, three data is, I think we have already given for this scores data set, or what's data set and shopping bill data set. So based on that, you can understand how data it can look like. Others data set, we have just given the template.
That's correct, sir. But the conclusion was like, there was a question about the medal part of that Olympic data set. Okay. And when we look at that Karnam Malleshwari name, and we clearly know that she has won 2 bronze. And there, even she asked, even Nalliman asked us whether that sequence number does that medal part have only one medal, or how will that going to look like?
Yeah,
because much of the data there, we cannot even assume that it will just show one medal for one sequence number, or how will that going to look like? That's a problem.
So see, thing is that, I mean, if you are trying to actually correlate relate with the actual existing data, like regarding the Karnam Malleshwari was saying, she might have won only one medal, but that is just we have given the dummy. I mean, that first place might be some different.
That's correct. I understand it's a dummy data set. If you have 2-3 more data with that, then we can more clear about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want at least understand. Okay.
Yeah. If you check, even if Karnam Malleshwari has one more medal, if you're going to add one more sequence number, suppose one Karnam Malleshwari and then silver, if it comes there, then yeah, we can understand. Yeah, for one sequence number is for one medal. Yeah, like that we can understand that. Okay.
Oh, okay. I got it. What you're trying to say there. So we should be providing at least 2 or 3 data points for.
There are 2 data points, but if it is like at least 5 data points, then we can assume, yeah, the one sequence number is for one medal, or one sequence number is for one Olympics, or one event, or something like that. Yeah, that's what.
Okay. Okay, so what next? I mean, so you have any specific doubt in anything? Yeah, Abhishek has raised
Yes,
hand.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, question number 8. Conditions of question number 8 of graded assignment 8.
Graded assignment 8, question number 8.
Sir, here B is initialized to T.
Where? Yeah, B is where?
Sir, yes.
This is the question number 8, no?
Question number 8, conditions.
Where are the conditions? I mean, this is the question number 8. Which line you are talking about? Graded assignment.
In my set, sir, this is written B is initialized to T. Can I share, sir?
Question number 10. I mean, line number 10.
Question number, just a minute, sir. Question in my
so
set.
You are in qualifier batch or term batch?
Term. I'm first term.
Okay. I mean, so you have qualified this time?
Oh, sir, September repeat qualifier.
Acha. Let me see that in question number 8.
8, yes.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
Here B is initialized to T.
Yeah. What is there in this?
That's no, okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's what I want to know.
Yeah, B is initialized with T.
Okay, okay, sir.
So what do you think? Which type of data type is B?
Yeah, data types are some confusion related.
Correct.
Character
It
data
should
type.
character.
Like,
It
like
should
I,
character.
yeah, like I have initialized I is equal to 1 means I is
One,
also
it is.
going to store integer type of data. So
Yeah,
therefore I
integer
is
type.
initialized as a integer data type. So the same way B is initialized with single inverted comma T. Therefore B is initialized as a character data type.
Character data type. Yes.
Yeah. Nisha.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you have
Sir,
more, yeah, just a minute, Nisha. You have more doubt, Abhishek?
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so please lower your hand.
sir, hello,
Yeah,
sir.
Nisha. Yeah, Nisha. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Nisha, I'm able to hear you.
Hello. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm having doubt in graded assignment 7, question number 4.
Graded assignment, week 7.
Sir, in that.
Question number 4. In this, Nisha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's your doubt in this?
Actually, sir, I'm not able to get why the error is there in like I'm not able to get the code. My answer was wrong. Like the condition, if condition is wrong here, the error is like incorrect conditional statement.
What it should be
I
the
didn't
correct?
get that.
Yeah, what should be the correct? I mean, so if your answer is B, means there is a line error in line number 4. So what should be the correct? That is what you're trying to ask.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what is the question actually here? So the following pseudocode is executed using the library dataset. At the end of execution, the first book stores a dictionary with the author name as a key. Okay. To the genre of the first published book. But the code may have mistakes. Identify all such mistakes. Assume that all the statement not listed in preface. Assume that the rows are arranging in ascending out of publication year of the book. Okay. So see, Nisha, my screen is visual, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have at the end of first stores dictionary with the author name as a key. Chalo. So when you are going first time, so first book initialized as a dictionary. Okay. Now we are going for first time. Read the first book, first row X from the table. Okay. So is key first book X comma author. So when you are going first time, let us say author first one is some first one is, let us say Ram. So when you are going first time, first book comma Ram. So do you think Ram is a key in dictionary first book? Is there?
No, it's empty.
So what do you think this will return? I mean, the key is not there. So
false.
False. No. I mean, is key. What it does? I mean, D comma any key. So if A is not a key in dictionary D, it will return false. If it is there, it will return true. Agree?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you are going first time, it will return what? What it will return? False. So without updating, where it will come? It will go to the move X to the table 2. So you have first book information. You are not updating the dictionary with respective genre. So it should be update, no? Because when you are going, you have to update. So when you have not here, I mean, if it is there, if not is key.
Okay, like if it's false, then if not is there, then it will be true, and then it will update it.
Yes, yes. That's the correct.
Okay, got it, sir. Yeah.
Others?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Others? Did you get what I was trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah. Tanmay, what's your doubt?
Sir, in quiz 1, question on library dataset.
Acha. Okay.
Sir, where there were M distinct books of N authors.
Uh-huh.
Sir, that question was wrong, right?
No, I don't know. Why it is wrong?
Sir, I have discussed it in the afternoon session. It has been told me that there is some correction in that question.
Okay, there might be. I am not aware of that one. I think with whom you had discussion with this, Rahul or Nalini?
Sir, Rahul, sir.
Acha, okay, so maybe I mean.
Okay, sir. Just wanted to confirm from your
Yeah,
side.
so then your marks might have increased then if you have.
Sir, till now it's not had happened.
No, is it?
Sir, can you solve that question?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, so which question we have?
Sir, quiz 1. Sir, graded assigned quiz 1, sir. Question was on there were M distinct books written by.
So do you remember the question number? It is
No, sir.
I think I will be not able to open here.
Sir, I can share.
Just a minute. I mean, let me restart this guy. Which batch? I mean,
Sir, batch, I was in afternoon batch.
QP question 1. I think question 1. Oh, tell me the question number then.
Yes, sir, I am finding.
Yeah. Okay. So you try to find by the time I just talk to the.
So question number 4.
Okay, you got it. Huh?
Oh, 8. Question number 8.
So this is mathematics. English. Yeah. So question number
8.
I mean 8 if you say here. I mean, this one like that.
Yes, sir, this one.
Oh, and this is multiple select question. No, only. Yeah. So the following pseudocode is executed using the library dataset. Assume that there are M books with distinct name that are written by N authors. So, and each book is written by only one author. Assume that every author has a distinct name. So what do you mean by distinct name?
Sir, that two names can be same.
It will not make pairs.
No, I mean, see, in a class there can be two Rahuls, two Rahul or two Deepak or two.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tanmay. That is not the case here.
Yes, sir.
That is mean by distinct here, no?
But that is for M books.
No. The author cannot be have a like two authors cannot be known by same name. That
yes.
Is what I'm trying to say here. Distinct means that only.
Okay, sir.
Guys, others?
Yes,
so
sir.
In a class, generally there are common names are there, no?
Yes, sir.
So that is not the case. The person each are having distinct name. But so they have so there are N authors, there are M books, okay? And each book is written by only one author. So do you think that M can be greater than N?
Sir, they say and each book is written by only one author. Are they talking about the whole data set or they're talking about the M books?
For this only, no? I mean, this is the library data set. In library data set, you don't know how many books are there, no? I mean, you have some number. Even though some number is there also, you have to generalize the case, no? So I'm saying that assume there are M books with the distinct name that are written by N authors. Each book is written by only one author. And also there is a condition that each author has a distinct name. So I'm saying that M can be greater than N. So both are numbers, no? M is also a number, N is also a number. So M can be greater than N or equal to? No?
Should
be sir equal to.
Only equal to?
Yes.
Yes.
What if author has written 2 books?
Yes, sir. Author name can be same. Books names cannot be same. So, sir,
Yes, yes.
you're correct. M.
So that is what I'm trying to say here. M can be greater than N or equal to also. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
Others? Guys, are you able to understand what I'm trying to say here?
Sir, can you repeat?
Author can write more than 1 books.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, M can be greater than N, or author has only written one book only. Then at that case, M will be N. So that is what I'm saying, that M can be greater than equal to N. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So yeah, what is the doubt in this question then? Tell me.
Sir, the question is count 1 is equal to N.
So count N is saying that number of authors.
Okay, sir, but count 1 is, sir, is every row in the data set. And for every row in the data set, sir, either we can say that it will be every book.
Every book only. Yes.
So, sir, then it should be M. And if, sir,
No. So what it is happening here? No. So see, read the first author row in X, move X to table 2. You have incremented count 1 is equal to 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What we are doing next, you have fixed X. Now what we are doing in table 1 has, let us say there are 30 cards are there. Okay?
Yes,
30 books are there. Now we have table 1, how many cards are? 29.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now we are going, read the first row. Now we are comparing X dot author is equal to Y dot author.
Yes,
what you are checking actually, author X has written more than 1 book or not. That is what we are trying to check here. Na? If he has if he or she has written, what we are doing, we are this one I will talk it later, little bit sometime, but that book is moved to table 2 itself.
Yes, sir.
So in one go, let us say author 1, author X has written 3 books, then all 3 books will come to table 2.
Yes, sir.
And then table 3 will have table 1 will have initially, I mean, so all book has moved to table 3, no, else mein table 3 mein.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So it is actually what it is doing, it is removing the book which is written by the author X. Now you are coming here, and if it is not there, it is moving to table 3. Just see that little bit. I mean, it is moving to, if it is same, then it is moving to table 2. If it is not, it is moving to table 3. Now, once you have done this one, what you have done, table 1 will have no any book. Table 2 have books which are written by author X, and table 3 has books written by books other than author X.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Then you have moved all this row, table 3 to table 1. So the book which is not written by table, not written by author X is moved to table
Yes, sir.
1.
Okay.
So why, very cleverly, what you have done, books which are written by books which are written by author X has moved to table 2, and for that you have incremented only one time.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this? Now next
Yes.
time another X will come, and again you will check that author again X has written more than 1 books or not. If it is written, that will be moved to table 2. And for that, can you see that for another X it comes, then you have moved incremented by only 1. So what do you think count 1 is going to represent? Number of authors or number of books?
Number of authors.
So that's why it is
N. Got it, sir.
Remember? So did you answer, guys? Others, I think it is becoming boring without writing anything.
No, it is clear, sir.
No, sir, it's clear.
Yeah, sorry.
Can you please write the process?
Okay. I have to actually write in like I need to use that marker, I think, because so I just write when Sneha, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sneha. See, listen, I will write. Let me download and then can I do this one? But downloading is not happening in this one.
So you can take a screenshot.
Yeah, but yes, this is actually a very good question. I mean, if you see this, then Rahul said this is wrong question. No? I mean, maybe for the different set, I think. Okay, let me check. I mean, just I'm actually checking here only. I mean, this is the one, no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, my screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Good.
It's visible, sir.
So let us say in table one, this is question number. Okay, quiz one, no? Quiz one. So, question number. Some question number is there. Let us see. You have table one. Okay. In table one, you have authors and corresponding books. So let us say it has written something book or something. I mean, some book it has written which has named this one. Another author, let us say G, which has written something book, something. I mean, I'm just writing random thing. It should not that much random. Okay, let me write something. He has written some book T.
Sir, I just wanted to say one thing. Sir, since each book is written by only one author, sir, it will never go into count two will never increment.
So each book, so there can be one book can be written by two authors, no? But this is not the case. One book has only written by one author only, meaning one author can write another book also, no?
Okay, so
each book is written by only one author.
Yes, sir.
So the author of one book is only one author, but one author can write more than one books, no?
One author, yes.
Still doubt? Yes or no?
So each book is written by only one author, but one write more than one books.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, yes, sir.
I mean, each book is written by only one author independently. So you might have seen, no? Like generally in thesis, I mean, generally if you write a report or something, or let us say some very simple thing in examination, you are the only author, no, of your question answer sheet.
Yes.
But you have given more than one examination.
Yes, sir.
So that is the case, no? Each question paper is written by only you, but you have written more than one question paper, I mean, answer sheet.
Okay, sir. Then why is it specially specified that assume there are M books with distinct names? So, like I thought that there is a possibility that there are more than M books in the data set.
No, M books with distinct name. I mean, say books names are distinct.
Yes, sir.
We want to clear each and every confusion, so that's why we have given each and every information.
Yes, sir, I get that. But what I thought that there can be more than one book, like more than M books, and name of
that the number of books is total M, and the number of authors are N. Now I'm telling that each book, whatever the written, has distinct name, and that is written by n authors.
So this we cannot tell that what are the total rows in the data set, right? Because they can be more than that, more than any M.
No, so if you see that the rows are actually is written for the books only, no?
Yes, sir.
And for each book we are trying to check with the what is that author.
Yes, sir.
That is what we are checking here. So that's why before checking this one, I have told that this can be the case. M can be greater than or equal to n.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Understood? Like that author A might have written another book called B3. Okay? And G author G might have written another book also, B4. Sorry. Or something, I mean, anything, Hannah?
Yes, sir.
Then author, let us say T has written another book, something called B9 or something. Hannah?
Yes.
Like
Yes.
that is the case, no? So
Yes.
can you see how many books are there? Books are 5. Sorry, 5. Well, how many authors are there? 3 only, no?
3.
1, 2,
and 3.
3. People are able to understand or not? Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sneha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let us see. We are going first time. What we are doing. And we have these guys. Count 1. Sorry, count 1 is 0 and count 2 is. See, these codes are very interesting. I mean, very cleverly we have count unique authors, unique book like that. Just see how it is happening. So can you see that you can see that how many authors are there? Only 3 authors. But how many books are there? 5. If I want to count unique authors with this code, by looking we are able to see that. I mean, we can say that. But if we have a so many books, then this code will give correct result. It's unique authors count 1. How? Just see. Table 1 has more. Yes. Read the first row. Okay. Move X to table 2. So now this is the game here. Table 2, and we have table 3 also. Okay, guys, chalo. As soon as we will X is there, move X to table 2. So this guy is moved to where?
Table 2.
Table 2. Good. Now come here. So count is equal to, we have what we have done. Count 1 is made at 0 plus 1 will be 1. Any doubt here? No. Now come here. Table 1 has more rows. Do we have table 1 has more rows? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what we are checking? Read the first row Y. Now we have Y is this guy. Y dot author. What is the author? Sorry, X dot author is what? A, na? A. And Y, what is the first one? What is that?
G.
G. Both authors are same?
No.
Where we will go? Else
Table
part.
3.
Table 3.
So this is the concept of binning we are using. Now, so this went to else part. Now this is a closing bracket of which one? Which while loop? Which line number 6 or line number 2?
6.
See, we'll go here. Now we'll again check. Table 1 has more rows. Yes, we have. Now we'll check. Read the first row Y. Okay, we are reading. Now we are checking. So this is now, no? Now Y. Latest Y is this one, no? Guys.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Others. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Only 3 people are speaking. Good. I think everybody left. Huh?
No, sir. We are
No,
here.
sir, we are here, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we are going. Now we are checking X dot author. X is constant only. This guy is constant, है ना? Because X is varied with the outer while loop. So X is constant. So A is X dot author is A. Y dot author. Y dot author is this one. A, no? So do you think both are same? A and A. Both are same, no? Authors are same, no?
Yes, sir.
But they have written different book. It's fine. I don't care. So now count 2 will be, we have what we have done?
Plus 1.
Count 2. What we have done? Count ठीक है. And this is very important thing. Why move to table 2? So this is where we are going to move.
Table 2.
Table 2, not in table 3.
3.
Got it? Now we have went to the else if part. We'll not go to the else part. Where we'll go? We'll come at 15. Again, this is a closing bracket of this loop. Again, we'll go and check. Table 1 has more rows. Yes or no? है ना?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, latest y is G. So now x is still a, है ना?
Yes.
A is equal to G. True or false?
False.
We'll go to the else part and we'll move y to table 3. This guy is moved to table 3.
Okay.
Now again we'll come and check. Again, table 1 has more rows. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Where we'll go?
Table 3.
We'll check here. X dot author is A. Y dot author is T. A is equal to T? No. We'll move to table 3. Done. Now again, this is a closing bracket of this one. Table 1 has more rows. Empty.
No.
We'll close this loop. Where will come? Line number 16. Move all rows from table 3 to table
1.
1.
And now this is a closing bracket of which one? This one. Now again we'll check. Table 1 has more rows.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we have. Now we'll come here. Move x to table 2. Now x is what? G, no? Control X. We move to table 2 now. Now we'll check. So move x to table 2. Now count 1 is equal to count 1 plus 1. So this is made at 1 plus 1 is now 2. Now we are coming. Table 1 has more rows. Do we have? Yes, we have. Now we'll check. So here y is what? G, है ना? And x is also G, no? Guys.
Right, sir.
Yeah. So G is equal to G. What we will do? We'll go inside and we'll make count 2 is equal to also
plus 1.
And move y to table 2. So this guy is will be moved to where?
Table 3.
Table 2.
Table 2, no?
Right, sir. Right.
Table 2. Now else part we will not go because we have executed if. We'll come here and now we'll check. Table 1 has more rows. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have. Now read the y, first y. So we have now y is T. Okay? Now we are checking. X is what? We have G. G is equal to y. Sorry, G is equal to T. It's true or false?
False.
False. We'll go to the else part and we will move y to table
3.
Now come here. Now table 1 has more rows.
No.
Sir.
False. We'll come here. Move all from table 3 to table 1. Now again we'll check. Table 1 has more rows. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we'll read the x to table 1. Move x to table
2.
Move x to table. Now count 1 is equal to count 1
Increment
plus
1. 3. Plus 1, 3. Right.
Now table 1 has more rows. Yes or no?
No.
No.
Will not go here. Move all from table 3 to table 1. Nothing is there. Now we'll check. Table 1 has more rows.
No.
Let's stop the iteration. Now check. Count 1 is what?
N.
N is telling what?
Number of authors.
Do you think number of authors are 3 in this case?
Yes. AGT.
Now count 1 is, so this is correct. Now count 2 is m minus n. What is value of m? Number of books, how many are there?
Number of book 5.
5. 5 minus
3.
3. How many?
2. Right.
Can you see this? How this cleverly we have calculated the authors also. Do you guys do like this? No, I don't think so. If you do like this, you will not have any confusion. I see. I have not done anything. Did you see that I have done anything outside of this code? I have just
No.
followed the code very carefully. Only one thing I've just carefully.
Yes.
I'm also not jumping any lines of the code.
Yes.
Sir, I got actually confused in the statement that there are M distinct M books with distinct names. Sir, I thought that the same book can be repeated again.
See, like Mahabharata was written by so many authors, no? But this is the not case. Each book here, if someone has written Mahabharata, only one author will have written. There, like two authors had not written Mahabharata twice. Hai? So this is we have excluded that information, or we have not considered for this case.
Okay, sir.
So that is the case. You should be a little bit careful that what actually what. Sometimes understand that the English is little required. That's why we have introduced English. No. Okay, good. Okay, so what next? Or it's a 6. It looks like you guys are not having any doubt.
No, sir, I have.
Okay, tell me then fast.
In the week 7 solve with instructor session, problem number 4.
Who has taken that one?
Nalini ma'am, sure.
Then Nalini will be able to answer that one.
Oh, okay.
Wanted to say that one because she has the idea, which I haven't looked
Sir,
in that.
I had a doubt in the quiz
Okay.
1.
Quiz 1 questions.
Question number 12 and 13.
So this was not discussed actually. I mean, tell me the which question, because I have not the question number what you're talking about.
Question number 12, sir.
Their number is different. I mean, this is question number 64. I mean, just look at the question and tell me.
Yes, sir.
I'm just going down.
The following Sudoku is executed using the data set similar to the words data set based on the following paragraph. That word data set this is not what I selected yesterday. There was design on the left pocket. The answer is 3.
And this one.
No, sir. No.
Answer is correct marks. Okay, correct. Question. Then you have to tell me the question number actually. I'm going through that one. Just see that and tell me, because I don't have the number.
Okay, okay. Can you move? I saw that question.
This one.
I saw, yes, sir.
So what is the doubt in this? Tell me.
In that line, 5th line, sorry, 6th line, if first letter of the word equal to T, which means there are lots of words in which the word start with the letters T. And second letter equal to H.
Yes.
Uppercase or lowercase, they are not mentioned. Yeah, mention. Ignore that uppercase and lowercase. Sorry,
Yes.
sorry. Okay, which means that there is one more than 3 words in that data set.
But something is there. I mean, X dot words in with the full stop. That is also mentioned.
Yeah, they are asking the what
First,
would be the value of count. Which means that first part, right, sir?
Yeah. So I think it mentioned that for the each sentence, wherever that T and H consecutive is coming.
Sorry.
Yeah, T. See, the first letter of that word is T. The next word is also should be the second letter, no? H. It should come. So I think that TH is there.
Yes.
TH is there.
1, 2, and
TH
3.
Is there. TH is there.
3, and in next line.
Nothing, no?
I clearly remember that it also TH, right?
1, 2, and 3.
3.
And
next line.
Next line where?
Remember that the.
No. So remember the So this is that's why can you see this? Something is also there. If words end with a full stop, the first word it is only checking. This is also there. No? What it is represents here.
Yeah.
So initially it is true, Geeta, for like if you go first time.
Yes,
You are
sir.
going true. Now it is checking the first letter. Sorry, first
Okay.
word. Now it will be becoming true. Next, for whenever the next word will come,
That
flag, as soon as you read the first, you will make flag as a false, no?
yeah. Okay, I understood.
Understood, no? So for
It
the
means
next
we are checking that every first word of this sentence,
sentence,
each
yes,
sentence.
yes,
Okay, got it, sir. And
yes,
also in a next question, doubt.
this one.
That answer 48.
Yeah, answer 48.
Yes, sir.
So what would be the result at the end of execution of the following pseudo code if the value of n is 7? I is equal to 1, result 1 is 1, result 2 is also, all are 1, result 1, result 2, result is also.
Initialized one.
Yeah, I is less than n. What is the value of I?
1.
1 is less than 7.
No. Yes, sir. Yes.
It will go inside.
True.
And what it will do? Result is equal to result. So this is easy question, Geeta. What you do? Just try to go line by line slowly. Write things. I think if you do calculation in your mind, you will do mistake. Try to write in your notebook. So result will be I will be result will be 1 into 1. It will be 1. What will be result 2? So result 2 will be result
1
2.
into 1.
1 into 1
into 2.
It will be
2.
The result 2 will be
2.
Now I will be what?
3.
3. Now next we 3 is less than 7.
Yes, sir.
Now result will be what? Result 1 will be what?
1.
1 into 3.
3.
So result 1 will be 3. Now
3,
result,
yes,
yeah. So result 2 will be what? Result 2 was in previous value was what?
2, 4, 12.
So 2 into what is the value? 2 into 3 into 4, no?
1 into.
Previous result value was what? 2, no?
Oh yes, okay, okay.
2
2
into 3
into 4.
12,
24.
Now I will be 5.
5. Okay, okay, I got it.
So please write these things, and then this is easy question. You have to just write, because if you do keep things in your mind now, you will be confused. So please write as you go for the next step and step. Okay.
Yeah, I just not understood where we get update. Like from which loop?
No, so this
get
is
again start.
Yeah, so you can see, just go through line by. So I have not done anything. I is equal to 1. 1 is less than n. Something is given. Yeah, n is 7. So 1 is less than 7. I have just entered because this condition is true. Now result is equal to result into 1. So result, what is the value of result 1? 1. 1 into 1 is 1 only. Result 2 is result 2 into I plus 1. So result 2 is 1 into 1 into I plus 1 is 2, no? So 1 into 1 into 2 will be 2. I you have updated by 2. So initial value was 1 plus 2,
plus
3.
2 equal to 3.
Now 3 is less than 7. Again it will go, it will do all these things. Again it will go for the 5. When it comes 7, 7 is less than 7. At that time it will be false. And then you have to calculate the value of result by dividing result 2 by result 1.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, I have a general doubt. Can I ask, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, it's not related to assignment.
Yeah, tell me.
This quiz 2 is has to be attended by everyone, or just for reattempt, is it?
No, everyone. I mean, so because this marks will be added, no? I mean, this will also have some percentage in your final grade, no?
Okay, sir. I was thinking that it is directly the term exam at the like 30th April.
No. So there are 2 quizzes and 1 end sem, and also there is a reattempt qualifier. Like those who have failed, for them there is one more examination. So that is the separate case. Because
Okay.
for them there is a syllabus for a week 1 to 4. They will have separate question paper week 1 to 4. But for you guys, the question paper is from week 1 to 8. I mean, mostly focus on week 5, 6, 7, and 8. I mean, list and dictionaries. But the concept what we have introduced in week 1 to 4, that will be also used and sometimes might be asked also. So your
Okay.
syllabus is week 1 to 8 for the quiz 2. For the reattempt qualifiers, that week 1 to 4. That's all.
Okay, and same like 1 hour and 40 marks, same like the qualifier we had given.
Yes.
1 hour and 40 marks for that
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, mostly question will be asked from week 5 to 8 only. No?
Yes.
It's most concept.
Yeah.
For every subject.
Sorry.
Means for all the subjects means that.
No. I am others. I'm not able to tell you for the other statistics, mathematics, and other subjects, but you can only tell for you the CT only. Okay, because they have a different strategy. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So thing is that I want to also ask that how that TA classes are going on. By or was it helpful or something?
Helpful, sir.
I mean, like how the live sessions are there. I mean, is it good? Then because if you give the feedback, then we will be able to continue for the next term as well.
Yes, sir. They explain very good.
Okay. So
sir, even if there is no one in that session, then also they stay till means last minute. Because yesterday I went at last minute and that teacher was there, means the TA was there.
Oh, good. Yeah. Okay, then we'll try to continue that one for the next term also. Please. If it is helpful for you guys, then it is good.
Because every small question we cannot ask in this Zoom meeting. Because this is also my first meeting because it was postponed. Means, therefore, I was able to cover this week 8.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, then thank you for joining and do well. And also, if you have doubt in list and dictionary, please watch that lectures.
Yes, sir.
It might be clear your doubts. If you are still having doubt, let me know. I will be able to answer that one. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.